If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to JASMY video update. Right, so we were trading at 6301. It seems like there's a little bit of a break of bear flag. We haven't actually come to the main technical target. We were so short of the main technical target. So this is what happened. Okay, so boom 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 boom. Yeah, we broke out. I told you we're coming down to 5520, but you ended up coming very close, 57, and this was at 55. Well, a little bit close. Made a morning star, try to move to the upside. So what is going on? What's going on, I'm going to tell you. At the moment, we do have a little bit of a structure going on here, and that is going to be something like that. Okay, this is going to be better on a 15 minutes time frame. So I'm going to shift into the 15 minutes time frame, and that's actually known as a V-shaped recovery. So if you look at this is actually shaped like a V, but unfortunately you'd still need a break to the upside and back test and then move to the upside. Right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to write in on Google V-shape pattern. Yes, that's how it's named. And you're going to go into the images here, and with the very first image actually does show how JASMY looks like. So I'm going to show you that very quickly right there. So V bottom pattern right here, boom boom boom, and it actually moves to the upside. Or other various examples can be something like this as well. 1 2 3, move up. So you can see how much of a similar scenario this is. On a textbook or an educational level, this is how the V-shape looks like. Pullback and the retest is all we need. So you do have the V right over here. We need just this, breakout, pullback, retest, and then go to this technical target. I'm going to tell you from the top to bottom right here for JASMY. It's all about breaking out. You haven't really broke out, okay? Don't trade without breaking out if you want to trade. And that's going to be a move up of nearly 9.22% to the upside. So something, for a day trade or a very quick profit out there makes sense. So that's it for the JASMY update right now. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.